New York, New York.
A city so great they had to say it twice.
Hey, but we're not in the real deal here. This is Las Vegas, where we got a Fox copy of pretty much everything in the world. Now, why would someone want to come here instead of visiting the real deal? I don't know, but I'm curious just how much of a Big Apple vibe this place has, especially considering that I used to live in New York City.
So let's check this place out.
Nice attire today, Lulu. It's like a combo swimwear. I'm going to the gym. Oh.
From the outside, you can instantly see the Manhattan influence. You got a 150-foot Statue of Liberty replica. And over here, we got the Brooklyn Bridge.
That was lame. What was that? So lame.
Which is very darn cool. And they get just enough of it right that I do get nostalgic for New York City.
I love New York's Art Deco style. It's like one of the best things if you ever visit New York. Not the new New York, but the old New York, which you can find a lot of like in Midtown New York. But man, they really capture that feel here beautiful. Like the way they did that font, that setup there. I like that splash back there. Where's the detail? Oh, God, yes. Yes. That's the thing about Vegas, is that it may be fake, but it's a damn good fake. Like if it wasn't for this casino side here, I would say this side here, this entrance, it does actually got a feel for like if you were like checking in to a hotel in New York City, or if you're actually going to go up the Empire State Building and you got to get in line, you got to buy the ticket. Yep, it feels like that. Our hand washing. Let's do it. What's this? Mobile check-in. This looks like a board game they got going on here, but no, I guess what you do here, this is actually cool. So this whole area is designed for mobile check-in. You just walk up to a table, read instructions. I feel like this is almost like Monopoly, New York, Vegas style. You have your phone and you, boom, scan that barcode. It's not a barcode, it's actually a QR code, and you're good to go. There's several tables here, although no one's taking advantage of it. Literally, everybody here is in line checking into the hotel. So I guess people don't care about this. Really, we come all the way here to this casino, and what you want to showcase to me, and free. Oh, okay, free. Yeah, I want free medicine. That's true. Hey, it is free.
It's gonna get dirty, so.
That's true. What they should say is, make sure you wash your hands first.
Yeah.
They should put this above the sink.
Yeah.
What are you like stealing these now? Or?
Yeah, of course. No, this is gold.
This is gold. This is better than stealing the free little packets of jelly when you go to a diner.
Within the resort, particularly gambling areas, lounges, restaurants, and meeting rooms are named after New York City neighborhoods or landmarks. The casino is about 20 years old, built in 1997 and cost about $500 million to complete. Although they must have had a relatively recent renovation project going on, because the interior has a fresh, updated look compared to other casinos that have been around for 2 decades.
Oh, the one thing I wanted them to be open, and it's not open. I wanted to get a Nathan's hot dog, Lulu. That was... All right, granted, it's a seriously overpriced hot dog because it's in the middle of the casino here. Got this long wavy line here just to get on the coaster, but I'm so out of here, so I'm just gonna cut in line.
Now, the one unique attraction they have here is a full-blown roller coaster, which travels through the property's interior and exterior. Coaster is about 200 feet high, has a maximum drop of about 144 feet, and yeah, it's fast. It's a full-blown coaster. We were all ready to ride it and share that footage with y'all until we found out that we couldn't bring our camera with us. But be fair warned, the coaster is a bit older, so apparently it's not the smoothest of rides. Your head gets jostled around quite a bit like you were in a boxing match. So I guess I'm kind of happy I didn't have to ride this. The coaster runs all the way around the hotel, and it's pretty loud if you get a room next to the coaster track. So just beware when you're picking out a room to stay here.
I'm impressed. This is a pretty big size arcade. I wouldn't say it's as big as the arcade in Circus, but it's pretty good. It's very impressive. Alright, so look at the Redemption Center. They basically had all these toys, all these prizes, and you just gotta play to win. That's Vegas for you. You gotta play to win. This is what you're normally gonna win, right? The 20 ticket one, 40 ticket ones, bunch of crap candy that has probably been sitting here since yesteryear, before the coronavirus. But now this is when you get to some of the more expensive ones, like 750 tickets. Every time I talk, my mask falls off.
Because you have to pinch your nose.
I'll show you, pinch it. All right, so the one thing I do love about this particular casino resort is that they have a food court, and they recreated like a street in New York City. That feel of a New York City feel, which I love. So I wanted to come here to get myself a fake slice of New York pizza. I call it fake because, let's be real, you can really only get New York pizza in New York. Oh, well, let's see how good it is, huh? Is it gonna taste like the real thing? Why don't we walk around first and see all of our options? All right, let's see what else they got here. They got hot dogs here, Times Square hot dogs. I don't know if they're Nathan's hot dogs. They have a deli here. Which, if you ever go to New York, the delis in New York City are just to die for. It's so good.
This area here is so good for Instagram. Like every corner, like, you see that? Although I can't climb up there and take selfies.
Oh, you want to climb up there to do a selfie? What are you, King Kong? Oh no, this is all fake, Lulu. But this street does feel very, See, this is why I love Vegas, baby. I feel like I can travel the world, but I'm actually going nowhere.
Because I mentioned it, so I'm gonna mention it.
This is the one thing you want to take a picture in front of here. Shaq and Siegel, attorneys at law. This is the quintessential New York experience. This is what you want a picture of. Okay, go sit down there. Is it a video? It's a video, so do something. You told me to film video. Is it a picture or video? I can't tell, Lulu. What is it?
All right, so now that Vegas has reopened, it's important to note that there are still a lot of places that are not fully open yet. So New York, as a casino is open, there are a lot of notable restaurants that are still closed here. And even just a number of the New York themed eateries, about half of them are closed. And that was really the highlight for me, to be able to come here to eat some of this supposedly authentic New York food.
Just how authentic does the food taste? Let's find out. I'm so happy I got my coffee. I need coffee.
All right, so of all the choices that we had, I decided to opt for, drum roll please, New York Deli. And I got two of my favorites, which is a pastrami sandwich, or their variant of it, and an egg salad sandwich. So let's check this out, y'all. Look at that. Boom! Oh, look how much meat. And I can tell you right now, if you were in New York City, they would be stacked double, like double. Boom, it'd be like that
Really?
high. Oh, that's right.
Oh,
You
I
would-
saw the BTS.
That's right, it's like double. You need to be a minimum height requirement just to be able to eat the sandwich. For adults only. Check out this egg salad. That looks pretty straight up legit too. I love egg salad. You know what I actually like doing? You know why I always get both? I mix them. I like putting the egg salad on the pastrami.
What? Are you serious?
Baby, you don't even know. Oh, I forgot to get jalapenos. That together is my secret sandwich. If I had a deli sandwich shop, it would be pastrami plus egg salad plus jalapenos.
Yeah.
This is close enough though. Jalapeno chips.
Yeah. I have to prepare myself because this for sure is gonna ruin my makeup. It's insane. Oh my god, how?
Like we practice at home, Lulu. Like we practice at home.
Delicious. Oh, look at that egg.
Look at that. They don't skimp here. This is what I love about it. Maybe overpriced, but they don't skimp. How about this? All right. Recreate my favorite sandwich. You're gonna put some of that egg salad on a jalapeno chip with some of that brisket on top. Oh my god, this needs to be an appetizer dish right there. Are you exaggerating or is it really that good? Is this just for YouTube or are you really trying to tell me I can open up a sandwich shop?
It's a bar, John. Bar. Drinking bar.
No, right next door is Chocolate World.
If I reach my goal and become sexy, I need one of this, okay?
So your objective is basically to get sexy to get unsexy again. I got it. You eat that Hershey Kiss, baby, you're gonna have this body shape. You're gonna have this body shape.
Oh shit.
While Vegas is now open, it's not quite happening of a place like it used to be. Well, it's never too fun when it was too crowded like it was here last year. Right now, it just feels like a ghost town. Too many attractions still aren't open. Too many eateries aren't open. And just not enough people here. The fun comes from being able to interact with other people. That being said, there are some great deals to visit Vegas right now. So if you want the experience of this town without the crowds, which just might be a once in a lifetime thing, give it a shot.
Just be safe when you are out here.
All right, peace out.